So, Your Excellency, with the current advances in artificial intelligence technology, with immense potential and contributions, like development of different technologies, repositioning and redesign of business models, creation of new services, obviously, as expected, there will also be challenges in adoption and issues related to data sharing and privacy. So, Your Excellency, in line with these challenges, what has SDAIA done to enable other entities to unlock the value of 4IR?
Thank you, Dr. Basma. First of all, as you know, the fundamental basis for transitioning to the 4IR is the data consolidation, data quality, data integrity, as well as the data accessibility. So we believe that in SDAIA, since the establishment of SDAIA, we focused on establishing a national data bank where we collect all the governmental data sets into just one single place in order to unlock the real value of data using the artificial intelligence algorithms. We believe that in order to enable our partners to utilize the real value of data and also to transition to the 4IR, we enable them in different areas. First, building the infrastructure for data. We also help them in training their staff in order to utilize the value of data and AI, as well as we help them with the number of data sets that can be used by their sectors to unlock the value of those data using artificial intelligence. We thought that the best way to enable those partners is through the establishment of centers of excellence. So we started this about 2 years ago with the Ministry of Energy. We established the AI Center of Excellence for Energy. We identified a number of use cases. So our partner, the governmental partner, they identified the business use case, and then we worked together to utilize the AI in order to address the challenges identified by those use cases. So examples of those use cases within the energy sector was to increase the productivity of renewable energy generation by 20%. Another challenge was to reduce the CO2. As you know, the international ambition is that the AI can contribute up to 40% in reducing the CO2 emissions. So we work with them to reach to that ambition. Another challenge we identified in the frame of a use case was monitoring the transportation of petroleum products and to ensure the quality of the products as well as the security, and also to detect any suspicious activities during the transportation journey. Another center of excellence we established with our partners at the Ministry of Health, where we identified a number of use cases and worked together to develop AI-based solutions for this. One example was the detection of the breast cancer, and we reached to a competitive rate. We reached to a 90% of the accuracy for the breast cancer. And by the way, we do this free for the needy people through a number of charity organizations. As you know, 19% of the Saudi population suffer from diabetes, and maybe, according to the statistics, 43 of those cases go undetected. We worked with them to develop AI-based solution to detect the retina to detect the diabetes from the retina. As you know, it gets damaged by the diabetes, and we worked with King Khalid Specialized Hospital to develop a number of those solutions. And also we worked with our partner at the Ministry of Environment, Water and Agriculture to develop intelligent planet platform to provide Earth data and sciences for the AI researchers, and also to predict the climate drivers that can affect the desertification. So these are a number of use cases, and I know due to the time limitation, we cannot cover all of them, but one very important Center for Excellence was the Smart City Center of Excellence. As you know, a core mission of SDAIA is to develop smart city solutions we established this Smart City Center of Excellence with our partners from Ministry of Interior, Ministry of Mumra, also the Amana, as well as the RC, the Royal Commission. And we launched the Riyadh Smart City Operation Center, where those entities can manage the whole city using this Smart City platform and through the Operation Center.